Hello everyone and welcome back to my small art business channel. If you're new here, I'm Squorn, just an artist trying to live my dream, and I'm going to share with you my wins, my challenges and just the journey along the way. Today I'm going to do something that I haven't done before. I'm going to do a roundup. Try that again. Today I'm going to do, no I'm not. Oh. So one of the things that I am going to be doing is I'm going to be challenging myself to be able to articulate well on camera, so I can share my journey in the hopes that other people can find it useful. Today I am going to do something that I haven't done before, which is share a roundup of what happened to me in January, and wow, what a journey it was. Even though I mainly work in oil paints, I had a client reach out who loved my digital work. She and her friend commissioned me for 4 pieces, and I actually started on these in December. Finishing Percy, who I'm going to share here, and then my first complete commission of 2025 is Viva. But my most challenging commission in January was Milo, a beautiful boy who sadly crossed the Rainbow Bridge at just 3 years old. His owner thought they had years to take photos, so they only had a few, not in the best lighting or best pose. But after careful combining different photos, we created the perfect piece to honour him. This one really tested me, but I'm so proud of how it turned out. Sorry, I'm going to fight with the chair. I also created a new tutorial for YouTube. Now, okay, no one's watched it, but it was a great learning experience. One of the things that I've taken from the tutorial is that I need to learn how to verbalise much better. Who knew talking and painting was so tricky? But I know the only way to improve is keep showing up. So I'll be recording a new tutorial next week. In my last tutorial, I did a horse eye, but I think I should probably stick to a subject that I know really well, while I'm still figuring out how to edit and deliver. So I'm thinking a lion's eye. Let me know in the comments if you have any requests. Now, speaking of challenges, my 13-year-old Staffy broke her foot halfway through filming the tutorial, which forced me to have a few sofa days, and this had a massive impact on the amount of creativity that I did in January. But there was an unexpected win in January. I had a YouTube short that was picked up by the algorithm. It went with over 600,000 views, and I gained over 800 subscribers because of it. I'm super lucky to be a part of a collective gallery, which means it's a gallery that's run by a group of artists. At the beginning of January, we had a new exhibition, which gave me an opportunity to enter 2 new pieces. In true ADHD form, I left one of them to the very last minute. finishing it just 2 days before the deadline. Yet the paint was a little bit still wet. But the biggest surprise was I was given the chance to take over the gallery window display for 2 weeks. At first I thought I had got the short straw with the January slot, but I was so wrong. I sold 5 mini originals, several prints and countless keyrings. It just goes to show you should grab every opportunity because you never know what might happen. And the icing on top of this cake is back in October, I had opportunity to put my Skelly work into a gallery in a different town for 2 weeks. I put in quite a lot of outlay. I think I spent about £500 in prints and key rings and things like that, and pretty much sold nothing. So to have this win in January is absolutely amazing. And talking of Skelly, I have just completed a new Valentine piece and he's already sold, which is amazing. And I'm planning to do an Easter piece this weekend. I'm just going to share the sketch with you, but it's a secret, don't tell anyone. Next vlog, I might tell you why I'm called Squorn and what has led me to be on this path and how I became a full-time artist. So that was my January. It was a mix of highs and lows, but I'm grateful for every lesson along the way. If you've ever had an unexpected win or a tough business lesson, drop it in the comments and I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you want to follow along my journey, make sure you like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.